Hi you guys, welcome to the Tumbling Coach. Today with me is Emerson, and she is going to be demonstrating some ways that you can work on the middle of the back walkover, which is the push-off. Nice and simple drills that you can practice right at home.
Like and subscribe.
For this drill, all you need is a wall. So Emerson's going to come over here. She's going to lay with her feet by the wall.
Make sure not to hit the feet.
Yep, make sure that there's nothing on the wall to hit. Good point, Emerson. Push up into a bridge. 1 foot on the wall and push off of the wall. That'll really reinforce that push over, that kick over in the back walkover. Emerson is now going to demonstrate some bridge pops. So she's going to push up into her bridge and push off of her feet 5 times and try and get as high as she can. Really pushing through her toes. 3 and 4 and one more. 5, nice. Once you have 2 legs down, you're going to switch to 1 leg. So go up into your bridge, Emerson. 1 leg up and push off of that leg. Yes, 5 times. Oh, that's okay. Just get back up and try again. 3, 4, 5, and then you'll switch legs.
I think I went too high.
That's okay. Go back up.
Which leg was I? This one?
So now this one will go up. Yep, so go up into your bridge. And yeah, this one might be a little bit harder. That's okay. 1, oh, nice. 2, 3, 4, you got it. Last one. 5, good control. Way to push through it, Emerson. One more variation of the wall kickoff is the couch kickoff. So Emerson's gonna go into her bridge, feet on the couch, kick off with 1 leg and drive over. And she feels what it feels like to successfully get over. As she gets better at that, do it again. You can start to lower the surface. So maybe like a chair that's a little bit lower, a couple couch cushions, and slowly work your way all the way down to the ground. Once you have your standing back bend mastered and are comfortable with the feeling of pushing off, you can start to put them together. So start with 1 leg forward into your back bend and give a nice little push as your hands hit the ground and your foot lifts up. And that's what the first 2 steps of a back walkover look like. Thank you guys for joining us today and learning step 2 of your back walkover, the push off.
I think it was step 1.
No, I think it was step 2. And thank you, Emerson, for being so awesome and showing everybody how to do it.
Welcome.
Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe for
Thumbs up.
thumbs up for more tutorials.